Hello guys, welcome back to the Dutchcarsofficial channel. Today, as I promised, we'll be doing another relaxing POV, but this is more sound based one. We have found some tunnels near us and we are going to utilize them with a sunroof. So be sure to like, comment, and don't forget the most important one, subscribe. If you like POVs, let me also know. The more you guys subscribe, the better cars I can get for the POVs, because some people only give cars if they get clout from it, as you guys probably know from the YouTube scene these days. So make sure to subscribe so that I can drive in amazing cars and bring you with me through that journey. So now I'll be shutting up so that you guys can enjoy some tunnel sounds, because one is near us already. Okay, this is the first one. Also, just so you guys know, I'll be cutting the video for the tunnel sounds, otherwise you have to watch me drive around aimlessly, and that's not really that fun, I think. So we'll be back with other tunnels. So we are near the tunnel. To the left, it's the tunnel that we've been speaking about. So that sound is just really amazing. We will do a few runs of this. So now we will do it with the windows open, sunroof a little bit open. Make sure to subscribe, guys, so that we can do more of this type of content. Hope you guys enjoy this. So this is the end of the video. We don't know any more of these sorts of tunnels here near us, so I'm sorry for that, but we will be in search of some tunnels, so make sure to stay tuned. And we will be making sure to make more of these POVs and types of videos. And maybe I can even hang the GoPro outside. That will be even cooler, I think. And then you get the real raw sound of this car. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.